Hello students, nice to see you. Hope you're doing amazing. We're going to start our new activity of the week. It's about the unit we're working, which is school. We're going to practice and you're going to send me your work. Before we start, please let me know how are you feeling? How are you today? How do you feel? Do you feel so-so? Do you feel happy? Or do you feel sad or angry or surprised or crazy today? How do you feel today? I'm feeling, let's see, surprised because I have good news. I might see you next week. Lo mejor nos vemos. Maybe we're going to see each other next week, which is great. So I'm surprised and happy. Good. We're also going to, I want you to tell me what day is it today. Is it Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday or Sunday? What day is it today? Do you have an idea? Do you know? If you know, you can use your finger and point to the correct day, or you can say it, which is better to say it. And how about the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny or rainy or snowy, very cold, or windy? How is the weather today? I'm sorry. Oh, don't. There you go. Is it stormy, like stormy, or cloudy? Here, right now, it's cloudy, very cloudy. Yes. So you already checked. I'm going to explain to you the activity with the help of this friend. You have this worksheet, right? So if you don't have the worksheet, go and grab your notebook. I'm going to show you what a notebook is. You're going to need for this activity your notebook, English notebook, and a pencil. Okay? So you have 3 seconds to go for it. 3, 2, 1, off you go! Go for your notebook and pencil. You're going to need it right now. Go. Cool. So, open your notebooks. You're going to open your notebook and you're going to write, okay? Ready? So, here we have in number 1, I'm going to go up here. Here, in number one, you have 2 options, right? There is one thing and there is another thing. You're going to listen to me and you're going to circle the correct one. If you don't have the sheet, you're going to draw it. You're going to draw the correct one. So, number one, 3, 2, 1. Number 1, circle or draw or dibujar. Pencil. Which one is the pencil there? Which one is the pencil here? There. What's the pencil? We have 2 options. Which one is the pencil? The pencil is good. Number 2. Let's move on to number 2. You have 2 options as well. 3, 2, 1. Circle the pencil case. Pencil case. Which one is the pencil case? You have 2 options, right? This one or this one? Which is the pencil case? This one or this one? What do you think? So, you circle it or you draw it here. Right. Number 3. Ruler. Which one is the ruler? This one or this one? What do you think? So, if you think it's this one, you circle this one. If you think it's this one, you circle this one. It's a ruler. Or you draw it on your notebook. Number 3, ruler. Number 4. Let's go for number 4 now. Number 4, over here. Crayon. Which one is the crayon? You have 2 options here. Which one is the crayon? This one over here or that one over there? Which one is the crayon? This one or this one? What do you think? Crayon. And finally, This one's number 5. Which one is the book? Which one is the book? Number 5, book. Which one is the book? That one or this one? So you circle the correct one or you draw it on your notebook. Good? Great. Good job. Amazing. You did great. So, let's continue. There you go. And now you're going to listen and number and color. So, are you ready? You're going to listen to me. I'm going to say number 1, I don't know, chair. And you find the chair over there. You put number 1 and you color it. Good? Ready? So, 3, 2, 1. Number 1. Number 1 is a ruler. Number 1, ruler. Number 1, ruler. So you write number 1, ruler. And the color of the ruler is green. So it's a green ruler. So you draw it, the ruler, and you color it green, right? Green. There you go. Number 2. Number 2. Notebook. Number 2, notebook. So find notebook over there. Notebook. Which one is the notebook? You write number 2 inside the circle. Remember, inside the circle, number 2. And you paint it red. It's a red notebook. Number 2, red notebook. Good. Number 2, red notebook. Number 3, it's a yellow school bag. A yellow school bag. Number 3 is a yellow school bag. So you find the school bag. Where is the school bag? And then you write number 3 and you draw it, right? Or you write the number on the sheet. And it's yellow, so you color it yellow, right? Number 3, yellow school bag. Number 4, it's a purple book. A purple book. Number 4, purple book. Number 5, it's an orange crayon. It's an orange crayon. Number 5 is an orange crayon. Number 6 is a black pen. It's a black pen. Which one is that one? A black pen. Number 6, black pen. And number 7 is a pink pencil. Number 7 is a pink pencil. There you go. You're done. Good. Great job. Great job. And finally, you're going to take a photograph to your work. I need you to take a photograph to your work and you're going to send it to me, okay? So remember that. Good. And finally, we're going to do this writing. So this time you're going to write. So you're going to draw and write. Because these drawings are not complete. Can you see them? Oops, sorry. There you go. These drawings are not complete. Can you see? They're dotted. So you draw them over. You follow the line to complete the drawings and you write down the correct word. So number 1, it's a bag and you draw and you color the bag. Number 2, it's a, what is it? Is it we have options here. Look. over there. So is it a pen, a rubber, a bag is not possible, a pencil, a book, or a pencil case? Number 2. And how about number 3 over there? Number 3 is a pen or a rubber or a bag or a pencil or a book or a pencil case. What is it, number 3? And number 4 here. What's number 4? A pen, a rubber, a pencil, a book, or a pencil case? How about number 5 over here? Number 5. Is it a pen, a rubber, pencil, a book, or a pencil case? And this one over here, number 6. Is it a pen, a rubber, a bag, a pencil, a book, or a pencil case? So you look at them, you think, and you write it down. Good, on the correct number, of course. Nice, guys. Thank you so much. So now remember, this time I need your work. I really need your work. I need to see what you're doing. So please send me your work to my email so I can correct it, okay? So I am going to send your dads and mothers and family your my email, sorry, so you can take a photograph to your work, to this work. You take a photograph with your cell phones and you send it to me, okay? Good, guys. Thank you so much. That's the end of the tape. Thank you very much. See you on our next video or see you next class. Bye. Kisses and hugs and take care and don't go out.